Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I am making Chukandar Gosht, Beetroot Curry. This Pakistani style curry has deep purple hue, very striking to look at because of natural color of beetroot. Truly delicious because the beetroot and meat complement each other very well. So let's go and see what we need for this yummy recipe. So first I have this meat. Today I'm using veal. You can use beef, goat, lamb, whatever kind of meat you want to use. Then I have of course beetroot. You can cut beetroot into small cubes, but I shredded it. I learned this from my mom. It's going to be easier to cook. And then I have these fried onions. I have ginger and garlic paste and some yogurt. Then for the seasoning, I'll be using regular seasoning, salt, red pepper, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. So these are all the ingredients which I'm using today. Let's go and make it happen. So first heat your cooking pot and then add oil, and then if you are using raw onions, you can fry your onions at this point. Since I'm using the fried one, and so I'll added my ginger garlic paste, then I added my yogurt, and then instead of yogurt you can use tomato as well. My mom always used tomatoes, but today I tried with yogurt and it turned out equally good. So then add your fried onions and then all your seasoning, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, and turmeric. Then mix everything well until combined. And then add some water, around a cup. At this time we are adding water because we want our gravy to cook completely. We don't want any raw masala aroma to come in our gravy. So we just mix and then cover the pot and cook until oil comes up. So as here you can see the oil is coming on top. Mix again. Now if you smell the raw masala, you can cook it for 5-10 more minutes on a very slow flame. But mine was perfect, so I added my meat in there. In my family, a beetroot curry comes out a thick kind of a curry, so I'm not adding any water in there. The meat will release water itself and it will cook in its own water. Now it's time to cook our meat. Cover the pot and cook until meat is half done on a medium to slow flame. Uncover the pot and just mix the curry, and then it's time to add your beetroot. Beetroot needs time to cook as well. Since I'm adding shredded beetroot, it will be quicker than the cubed or small chunks of beetroot. I will not be adding any water at this time as well. Beetroot releases its own water and that's enough for our gravy. Now just mix beetroot with the meat and the curry and mix until everything is combined. Then cover the pot and cook this until your meat and beetroot are completely tender. So after a while, when I checked my gravy, my meat was almost done. My beetroot was done as well. But as you can see, my gravy has a lot of extra water, which I don't want. As I already mentioned, I want it to be a thick gravy. So from now onward, I cook my beetroot curry uncovered on a medium to high flame until I get the desired consistency. But remember, keep stirring because the water is drying out. There's a chance you can burn your curry. So when you think like it's done, water is completely dried out, just dish it out, sprinkle some garam masala and some chopped cilantro. Cilantro is completely optional, but garam masala will add that little kick to your gravy. So here you can see my Chukandar Gosht, my beetroot curry with meat is completely ready. I serve it with chapati roti. You can have it with some boiled rice or with some naan. I remember having this curry in my childhood in winter times. If you like this recipe or try this recipe, please leave me a comment below. Let me know how it turned out with you guys. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe.